So today I'll be showing you how to charge your Sony XM6 headphones. Now, in the packaging of your headphones, especially in that case, there's going to be this little cable here. Okay, so this is a cable you use to charge. So you can plug this side into any power source. It's a full-size USB-A. So if you have any adapter or a plug like this one, or a head where you can plug this in and then connect it to a wall socket, and then you'll have charge getting into the headphones via the Type-C port. So on the right ear cup at the bottom, there's going to be this Type-C port, and that's why you plug the other side of that cable like that. Simple as that, and it's going to start charging. Alternatively, you can use any Type-C cable to charge, as long as you can connect the other end of that Type-C cable to a power source. Right? So for instance, I have this cable which I use to charge my Android phone and my iPhone. I can plug it in and it should start charging. Now you can tell it's charging because there's going to be this little red light right next to the Type-C port, and as long as that light is red, it means the headphones are charging. Okay, so in case you're outdoors or somewhere where you cannot access a wall socket, then you can use things like a power bank to charge these headphones. So if I could put this phone away and bring out this power bank, you'll notice that with this power bank you can also charge the headphones. So let's connect them just like that, and they should start charging. As you can see, anytime you see that red light, it means the headphones are charging. Now you could also use your phone. Okay, so if you have probably a lot of charge on your phone, whether it's your Android phone or iPhone, and you have a Type-C to Type-C cable, you can actually connect one end of the Type-C cable to your phone and the other end of that cable into the headphones, and you should be able to use your phone to charge the headphones. The headphones have a much smaller battery, so you should be able to charge like that. Okay, so you can see the headphones are charging using the phone. So these are the different ways you can charge your Sony XM6 headphones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.